It all started here with Mum and Dad. We're in the home place here, and there was a large family. There was 15 of us, and it was a family thing. And over the last number of maybe 35, 40 years, there has been some involvement within the local GAA club here. From the eldest, which is MJ, right down to myself, who's the youngest. Our childhood, I suppose, was nothing but hurling and football and playing for the local club here, Duffy Rovers GAA club. It's 3 little villages that are involved in the club: Came, Kilteely and Ballindagan. They won 7 county finals in a row, lost it then, and came back the following year and won it again. It was fantastic. As a community, it means so much. When you win those titles, it's with your family, it's with your cousins, it's with the people that you went to school with. That's what makes the GAA so special. Most of those years there would have been anything up to 7 of the brothers on the team. Most of them are still involved. All the lads that are here would have been on the team have either sons or daughters now playing with the club and with different clubs. You know, they're still involved with the GAA, and I think they will be for a lifetime, the same as ourselves have been here. We were very surprised. It arrived here in the post one day. I came home from work and it was here, and we recognise the fantastic honour that it is. We're absolutely privileged to be after getting this award, and on the night I actually won't be there myself, but everyone else is putting in a huge effort to get there, and they realise how much it means. It's a special night for Mum and Dad. They've put so much work in over the years, getting everybody here to all those matches.